Did you know you're probably wasting hours every week just by using your mouse? What if I told you that you could reclaim that time, boost your productivity, and feel like a tech wizard just by learning a few simple keyboard tricks? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be navigating your computer at lightning speed. Let's start with the basics that work almost everywhere. Instead of right-clicking to copy and paste, use Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. Want to cut text? Instead, use Ctrl plus X. And if you make a mistake, don't panic. Ctrl plus C is your universal undo button. And if you undo too much, Ctrl plus Y will redo it. These 4 commands alone will save you so much time. To select all the text in a document or a field, just hit Ctrl plus A. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about getting around. Tired of scrolling endlessly through long documents or web pages? Use the Home and End keys to jump to the beginning or end of a line. If you hold down Control while pressing Home or End, you'll jump to the very top or bottom of the entire document. And when you need to find a specific word, forget hunting for it with your eyes. Just press C, T, R, L to open a search box. Type what you're looking for and hit Enter. It's like having a superpower for finding information. Managing your windows and applications can be a real drag. But not with these shortcuts. To quickly switch between your open programs, hold down Alt and press Tab. It's so much faster than clicking on the taskbar. Need to minimize everything and see your desktop? Just press the Windows key plus D. And when it's time to lock your computer, forget navigating through menus. Simply press Windows key plus L. It's quick, easy, and secure. Ready to put it all together for a massive efficiency boost. Imagine you're writing an email. You can use Ctrl-A to select all your text, Ctrl plus C to copy it, then Alt plus Tab to switch to another application, and Ctrl plus V to paste it. If you accidentally close a browser tab, don't worry. Ctrl plus Shift plus T will bring it right back. Mastering these combinations turns you from a casual computer user into a true power user. It feels amazing, and you'll get your work done in a fraction of the time. Start practicing these shortcuts today, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.